We are now learning that a safety complaint was filed against UPMC Memorial Hospital in York County the same day as the mass shooting. Mallory Metzner joins us with how the state could work to make hospitals safer. Mallory.
Valerie, Alicia, right now in Pennsylvania, there are no hospital workplace violence provisions, but the Healthcare Workplace Violence Prevention Act would give healthcare workers a voice in developing workplace safety procedures.
We're the front line, so the front line needs to be protected.
Maureen May, president of the Pennsylvania Association of Staff Nurses and Allied Professionals, or PASNAP, says violence against healthcare workers is escalating.
We get verbally assaulted, we get physically assaulted.
She says the shooting at UPMC Memorial Hospital should have never happened.
There's a lack of screening. How did somebody get in there with a gun? How does that happen? It starts from the point of entry.
3 hospital staff members were shot and 1 was injured in a fall. West York Borough Officer Andrew Duarte died and 2 other officers were injured. In a Facebook post, physician assistant Lester Mendoza says, quote, "Members of my ICU team were zip-tied and had to face the nightmare of potentially their last breath on Earth." While people will look for someone to blame, the reality is this: the system is failing all of us. Healthcare is broken. The Healthcare Workplace Violence Prevention Act aims to prevent unexpected tragedies like this from happening by creating a committee.
We want the frontline healthcare workers to be able to sit down with their managers and to develop policies and procedures.
It would require a risk assessment to show where a workplace is vulnerable.
They would need to meet quarterly to review all cases of workplace violence. They would be required to offer post-incident care, including acute care and mental health services for employees.
Lawmakers have failed to pass this legislation multiple times, but Representative Kruger is confident it can pass this time because it was introduced earlier in the session. We reached out to OSHA about the complaint filed against UPMC, but they said that it was an open and ongoing investigation. OSHA has a total of 6 months to conduct its investigation and release its findings. Live in Harrisburg, Mallory Metzner, ABC 27 News.